Hello everybody, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Lydia, and if you're one of my amazing returning subscribers, welcome back. So y'all, today I'm going to be sharing my 5 tips on how you can make your fragrances last way longer. So if you guys have not done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the beauty fam. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into this video. So tip number 1 is to apply your fragrances while your skin is wet. Now this can be either when you're getting out of the shower, while your skin is still a little damp. I know that this is a widely known tip, but this tip actually works, and it works very, very well. I have fragrances that last like 20 minutes, but when I apply them on my skin when I'm fresh out of the shower, that makes a huge difference, and those fragrances last on my skin a lot longer. Tip number 2 is to wear a scented lotion. So this kind of falls into the category of scent layering, and you could either do this with your favorite body lotion, and a lot of different fragrance brands actually have scented lotions of the perfume. So if you want to smell exactly the same, you could purchase a scented lotion of your favorite perfume, and you can just layer the fragrances that way. I've noticed that that works extremely well, and especially if you're on the go, if you have a smaller travel size version of a scented lotion, you can apply that throughout the day, and it just makes the fragrance last a million times longer. And also, the Vaseline trick actually does work. If you don't feel like using a scented body lotion and you're not really worried about the oil, you can definitely take a thin layer of Vaseline and put it either on your wrist, a little on your neck, before you apply your fragrances. And this trick has worked for me because I have had fragrances that didn't last at all, and after trying this trick, it really worked. And even with fragrances that already had a good lasting power to them, it stayed on my skin even longer. Even after a shower, the scent still lingered on my skin, and I kind of like that. It wasn't as pungent and potent as when I first applied it, but even after your shower, you can still have just a faint scent of whatever fragrance you are wearing. So I really like that I can do that, and that it actually works when applying Vaseline. My 3rd tip is to apply your fragrance to your clothes. And when I say this, I'm not talking about completely dousing all of your clothes in the fragrance, because that isn't the best thing either. But when you just spray a light mist over your clothes and on your skin, it definitely helps with the longevity of your fragrance. And it also helps people to smell you a little bit more. Now, you don't want to knock people out and make them choke by just doing too much, but when you mist a nice thin layer over your clothes, it definitely helps with the longevity of your fragrance. And sometimes this is what I used to do in the past. If I had a fragrance that I really liked, I know this may sound a little crazy, but I would just lightly mist it before throwing it in the wash, and I would use an unscented laundry detergent so that the only smell that would be in there would be the smell of the fragrance. Y'all, next level. I know like a lot of us wish that we could have laundry detergent that was scented like our favorite perfumes, but when you do that and you just lightly mist your clothes before throwing them in the wash and use an unscented laundry detergent, it literally smells like you washed your clothes in the fragrance. So that is a way to have clean laundry, but at the same time smell like your favorite fragrance. And tip number 4, carry a perfume atomizer around with you in your purse. Now, I purchased a set of these from Amazon, and I think I got about 4 or 5 of them for $7. So they are very inexpensive, and you can literally fill them with your favorite perfume or your favorite body spray. They are extremely easy to fill up, and you just take the cap off of your favorite perfume like this and just sit it on top and you just squeeze it in like that, and it is that simple. And these atomizers are so small, they can literally fit in your pocket. So I think that that is amazing. If you're out and about on the town and you have a little clutch, this will be able to fit in there. And if you feel like your fragrance is starting to die out a little bit, you can just open this, do a quick little spritz, and you'll smell like you just applied it, because you did. And I think that this is a very fun way to keep your favorite fragrance on you without having to lug around a huge bottle and have to worry about things falling out of your purse or losing something, because this is so small. Even if you did lose it, like, you have your full bottle at home, so it's not like taking your whole $200 or $500 bottle of perfume out with you, carrying it around. You can just have your favorite fragrances on you. And also, these are travel friendly, so even if you're going to the airport or something, you can keep these on you and just smell amazing at all times. Now, tip number 5, which is kind of self-explanatory, but sometimes it can't be helped, but this is to choose long-lasting fragrances. I feel like especially now it is a little bit easier to find longer lasting fragrances. Instead of purchasing an eau de toilette, go for an eau de parfum instead, just to be able to get that extra longevity out of the fragrance and to also get your money's worth. And eau de parfums tend to last on your skin a lot longer than eau de toilettes. So that's definitely a tip. So guys, those were my 5 tips to make your fragrances last way longer. As always, I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. And I will also have the perfume atomizers linked below in the description box, so that if any of you guys want to pick them up for yourselves, you can. Also, if any of you guys have any tips and tricks to make your fragrances last longer, let me know what you guys do down below in the comment section. I absolutely love hearing from you guys. So y'all, as always, I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video, and I hope to see all of you guys next time. Bye.